Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming basics: battery, unlocked screen, and access to settings, because interrupting the process can cause confusion. Open settings and go straight to About Phone, then find MIUI or build number. Tap that entry rapidly 7 times, you'll see a small countdown or message saying you are X steps away. Once done, the system explains why this enables deeper controls. Make sure to use your regular lock PIN if prompted to confirm identity before moving on. Now return to the main settings and navigate to additional settings where Developer Options appears. This is the hidden panel that handles debugging and advanced tweaks. Tap Developer Options and use the main toggle to turn the feature on. The UI may warn about risks, so read it briefly. You can enable USB debugging here if you plan to connect to a PC, and toggle animations or background process limits to test performance. Make changes intentionally and one at a time to observe effects. To finish, enable the specific options you need. For example, USB debugging, OEM unlock or strict mode, and then reboot to ensure system services register the change. If Developer Options is missing or options gray out, reboot first. If that fails, clear Settings App Cache or reset Developer Options to defaults. As a troubleshooting tip, remember that some carriers or secure profiles can block OEM unlock. If you see that restriction, contact the administrator or carrier before forcing further changes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.